Good evening, dear Thrivers. How are you? I hope you're well. I'm just coming out of a conversation with one of the Thrivers from Zurich who excitedly told me how useful the StrengthsFinder workshop was for her because she has been able to have a language to speak about her strengths and get the sort of job she wanted, and she also got promoted. And that set me thinking how important it is for us to put our best foot forward and to have the language to speak about our strengths in the best possible way and also in a way that other people appreciate. So not only the language, but knowing our strengths and then finding a vocation that is aligned to our strengths is very critical. And that is the skill set that is offered to you through the StrengthsFinder tool. And Claudia Reine, who is a strengths coach, is going to be bringing the StrengthsFinder workshop to Amsterdam very soon. I hope a lot of you can benefit from that. I'm also looking forward to meeting you all in person, most likely in the month of May, with something very exciting, I'm sure. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.